Candle TV.
In the garden, roll around, Bringle pumpkin, watch them grow. Tomatoes red and shining bright, potatoes hiding out of sight. Onions layered round and sweet, okra tall with seeds to meat. Veggies green and bright, growing in the morning light. Veggies here, veggies there, healthy food grown with care. From the garden to your plate, veggies make us feel so great. Cabbage leafy, crisp and brown, broccoli in clusters tightly bound. Cauliflower white as snow, in our garden see them grow. Carrots orange, long and lean, radishes spicy red or green. Turnips hiding in the ground, a tasty treasure to be found. Cucumber cool and fresh to eat, bitter gourd a healthy treat. Peas and pods so small and sweet, green beans climbing tall and neat. In the garden, row by row, Bringle pumpkin, watch them grow. Tomatoes red and shining bright, potatoes hiding out of sight. Onions layered round and sweet, okra tall with seeds to meat. Veggies green and bright, growing in the morning light. Veggies here, veggies there, healthy food grown with care. From the garden to your plate, veggies make us feel so great. Olives for their oil and taste, lemon adds a zesty haste. Bottle gourd long and light, beetroot purple a vibrant sight. Capsicum red in colors three, zucchini growing wild and free. Mushrooms high and soft and mild, green chili spicy flavors. Veggies here, veggies there, healthy food grown with care. From the garden to your plate, veggies make us feel so great. Garden bounty fresh and bright, grown with love and morning light. Veggies in each row and bed, healthy, tasty, green and red.